What's up, YouTube? Today we're on Field of Battle, and yeah, we're gonna be playing this for about 10 minutes. Oh yes, I am on this thing. Yo, I wanna get this. 5. I will be accepting the first 5 friend requests on this account, and I might give this account away. There's like a very low chance I will, but if I do, then be sure to turn notifications on, and make sure to turn notifications on so you can get notified when I release a new video. This. Oh, that counts correctly. Turn down. And guys, there's a trick on this game. If you, like, when I was at the gym, he was not attacking me, and yeah, and he just like kept hitting me. Okay, as I was saying, he was not, like, I was not getting damage, and I was hitting him from like the side that was near the sword. I've done it a couple times, but most of the time you just get piled on by a car. Holy, okay. I'm just gonna start fighting like a normal person. High off. Oh, soldiers. For some reason I can't do a lot of damage. Yes, this is way stronger. Oh, you wanna see all my gems? Wait, what? Ice gem went up in value, I think? Wow, okay. I got this spine. Oh. Actually, I'm gonna switch teams. Where is it on this map? Because I like never play this map. Oh, right over here. I actually send my greater fireball just for this heal. Wait, how will I give it? Oh, someone joined probably GB Power and Faster Hollywood. Damn. But wait, wow, I'm all the way down there. Weird. Hey. You wanna go? Okay. If you guys heard that sound, that's the thing I can do with my hand and chin. I put it like where my neck and chin is, and I go like slap a bunch up and down. On this video right now, it's at 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Run too slow, bitch. Wait. I want to do the math and see how much I would get if I sold 360. That's about 1 grand, 2 grand, 3, 5. Yeah, I'll be in the total with like 7 grand. Okay, Buddy Tom Tom. Oh, if we do the demon, that would be sick. Cause then if I get a rare on video, yes, that would be perfect. Even though I like never get rares, that's whatever. Okay, finally we reached the human base, and we have all this gold we want to sell. I'm going to try to get a legendary on camera. Yo, look how much XP it costs to let. It's 11. Yo, I'm just gonna dodge a wound. I wanna fight this noob right here. I'm a level 20, he's a level 42. Yo, let me get him. Yes. Dead. Wait, what a dude. Oh my god, why are all these soldiers and stuff trying to fight? I can legit go like this and use my bow. Because my bow's strong. And I will actually be selling this account for an account with Robux. This account does not have Robux, as you can see right there. This account is really good on this game. Oh my god. Oh my god, I want Okay guys, that is going to be the end of the video, and I hope you enjoy. I will be doing a Robux giveaway in about a month, because I'll probably get Robux by then. I will be giving away 1,000 plus Robux. And yes, I hope you enjoyed my video. Turn on notifications and sub, and peace out.